everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. Welcome to another Sew Sundays. Okay, we're going to start off with the materials that you're going to need in order to create your mini towel bags. Okay, so I purchased this towel from Dollar Tree. It was a full tile. All I did so far was just cut off the other half of the tile, and I was able to create 4 mini squares. Measurements are 6 by 7. Okay, so the first step is to take your top portion of your tile and you're going to fold down just about 1 inch or so, and you're going to create a straight stitch going all the way across. You're going to forward stitch, and do not forget to back stitch to close in your stitching so that it does not unravel. So we have met the other end. You want to make sure you back stitch. Take your tile off, and you're going to cut off the remaining thread. This is what we have so far. Your next step is to fold your piece right sides facing each other, and you're now going to create another straight stitch going here, and the last straight stitch going this way. Once you have completed those 2 stitches, your bag should look something like this. Next step, you can turn your fabric right sides out. Make sure you poke out your corners. And here you go. Your bag should look something like this, and you can now add your candy or whatever you are placing inside of your bags. Just putting a few pieces of candy in here. And also you need something to close your bag with. I am using some elastic. And I'm just going to tie 2 knots. And now your bag looks something like this. Cute. And here are the other 3 that I created off camera. I used some string for this one, and I just used 2 ribbons. So these are the 4 that I told you I created with the remaining of my fabric. I still have 1/2 left. So technically we will create a total of 8 from 1 towel from the $1.25 store. So I hope that you guys learned something new. I hope that you give us a try, and I hope that it was really quick and easy. And if you do create this, or if you do a different version, make sure you tag me. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye.